Hi everyone, and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Zacconi lever machine. This was brought in because it was failing to heat, and what we discovered is that no power was getting to the heating element, and that was because the fuse that comes before the heating element and circuit had blown. And so we replaced that, put it up inside the boiler. It's a temperature fuse, so if it gets too hot inside the boiler, then as a safety precaution, it will automatically turn off the heating element, disconnecting the power. And here it is, heating up, and you can see it's holding pressure and on once again. And we don't have the portafilter with this machine, but we will use the lever and the steam wand to show that that is functioning. All right, looking good. Alright, turn the steam knob. Nice soft steam. Like a spa. There it is, Zacconi heating up and functioning once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee, and please like our videos.